In this video from Device Doctor, we're going to check out one of HP's reliable and popular multifunction printers. If you're looking for a 4-in-1 printer that can print, scan, copy, and fax, this video is for you.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is a compact black and white laser printer designed for office environments. It's a multifunctional device, meaning it combines printing, scanning, copying, and faxing all in one machine. This makes it great for any small office or home office that needs an efficient and versatile printer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Device Doctor for more tech reviews and tips.